Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mena and we are back with another video. So today's video is a gorgeous HD 13x4 frontal pre-curled, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted wig install from Wiggins Hair. Listen, I work with Wiggins Hair all the time. Y'all know I love them down bad, okay? And there's a reason for that. Their wigs are quite literally flawless. They come straight out the box, no work needed. All you gotta do is just put a little glue on, tack her on. That's it, that's all. You might not even need the glue. So we're installing this beauty right here. I'm giving y'all a full install process tutorial. As y'all can see, this video was not very long, so clearly it was quick and easy. And I'm also giving you all the details to this unit. All of that will be down below in the bio. Y'all already know the deal. As y'all see this wig right now, I did not do anything to it but tint the lace, put a little lace wig adhesive spray, and put her on. Like I said, she came pre-curled, pre-parted, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything. So if y'all want to get you one, stick around because I'll give you all the details like for y'all to see. Okay. But before you go, as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on a few.
Best friend, be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
All right, so like I said earlier, we are working with Wiggins Hair today. I think this is our third time working with them. Always a pleasure. Hair quality is always great, so I'm honestly looking forward to installing this unit today. I know it's gonna be super easy and I'm tired, so I need an easy install today. Okay, so we're gonna get right into it. We're not gonna waste no time because like I said, I am tired, girl. I got a fashion overhaul to film later. I'm gonna put my last one up there so you can take a look at it after this video. But I got started way too late and now I'm a little behind. So we're gonna get this done. And I know Wiggins is gonna have me in and out, okay? It's gonna be a quick video, I'm already knowing. They sent me, of course, some wig caps, an edge brush, and of course, a Wiggins Hair wig band. Can't do a Wiggins Hair install without a Wiggins Hair wig band. Wouldn't be complete. Let's get into this wig. Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting this to come pre-curled. Hold on. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at that pre-plucking, pre-parting, pre-bleaching. Gorgeous. And then I'm loving how these wig companies are stepping up and actually curling the unit when they're saying it comes pre-curled. Because before it used to just be that little loose body wave, you know, that wasn't really doing nothing for nobody. You still have to recurl it anyway. No, this, you literally could install this and step out. You wouldn't have to touch up anything. And that's exactly what I'm looking forward to. Of course, we have the essentials within the wig cap itself. We have our combs, we have an adjustable wig band. This lace is super duper thin, so I know this is gonna melt really, really well. They even have us a cute little edge piece right here, child. Let's tint this lace. Let's just do it. I should have known Wiggins Hair was gonna come like this. I should have known. Ooh. Chill. Don't need that much of a forehead reduction now. Hold on. Double lines we cross the style of signs. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wait, I think we just got paid. Make it rain. What is this? Okay. It's feeling a little big, so we're gonna have to tighten this wig cap a little bit. It's probably about where we're gonna pull it down. I'm gonna take some clips and pin the hair back and out of the way. And we're gonna cut our earpieces. All right, so we are ready to apply our adhesive. So we're just gonna go with some lace wig adhesive spray. This lace is super thin, so I don't need to go through the hassle of using a strong glue because this will be enough. Let's actually roll the wig back so we can put the glue on. You just went right in. I didn't even give y'all no warning, my bad. I told y'all I'm trying to get in and out of here. I'm moving today. One of these days I should just see like how quickly I can do an install. Like just challenge myself. Just time myself. I've definitely had some really short videos on this channel. Like I think my shortest install video was like 6 or 7 minutes. And I don't even think it was like a fully glueless install either. All right. Oh. We're gonna let this get nice and tacky and then we'll put the wig on. So while my lace is drying, I'm just going to start pushing it into the glue with a hard bristle brush. That way it can really get stuck. This also helps keep the hairs nice and in place as well. Getting out a comb and do the same thing. All right, now that we look a little crazy, I'm gonna repin the hair back and we're gonna cut the lace. All right, so our lace is cut. We are already looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. We're just gonna get a little bit of spray adhesive and just affix any areas that didn't originally get glued down. We only need a little bit of glue to do this. So I'm just going to hold the lace back a little bit. Some glue right underneath it. I don't really like to put glue on top of the lace. I feel like that has a propensity to make the lace turn white and like crusty and crunchy. And you want to save that for when you have to do your touch-ups over the next couple of days. You don't want to use up all your chances to put the glue on top of the lace before the hair is even installed. Like, save that for after, child. If you can get that glue up under the lace, do that. That's just what I recommend. You just want to make sure you push that lace down real good so it look like this hair is coming up out your forehead, okay? That is always the goal. All right, now we're gonna do this side. All right, I'm going to hold my hair up. Let's see. It would be nice if I had like a claw clip or something. I don't know where they all went. This is what it's like to have sisters, y'all. Okay, so we're just gonna make a makeshift claw clip. A couple of hair clips. Hopefully that will hold while I get this wig band on. Cool. And we're gonna put our wig band on and secure our lace. I'm just going to fold this down a bit so that way most of the pressure is focused on where the lace is glued, especially near your ears. You want that to stay glued down. Take all my clips out and I'm gonna start combing out these curls just a little bit. Oh wow, the hair quality is, as expected, amazing. Anytime Wiggins Hair sends me a pre-curled wig, the curls are always so freaking perfect. Like, what curling iron y'all using that the curls is holding like this? All right now. So I'm gonna bring out my hot comb and a wax stick so we can get the top of this hair together. Just the way the hair just got flat instantly. Ouch. Look at that scalp. That is crazy. All right, we are nice and flat. I'm just gonna hold the hair up real quick. Take off this wig band. Ooh. Okay, Wiggins. Okay, Wiggins. Got it. Noted. Heard you loud and clear. Like, girl, what? What are you even saying to me right now? Ha! Yeah. I already knew Wiggins hair was goated, but this is just different. This is just a little bit too much. This is crazy. Like this, first of all, this lace is already melted and I haven't even melted it yet. Okay. Hairline is looking ridiculous. Like the lace is pretty much non-existent. I haven't even touched it yet, y'all. Like off the first wig band takeoff? True. Listen, I'm just gonna add a little bit of liquid mousse along the hairline. It's not even like we need it at this point, but it's just part of my routine. But like, we literally don't even need it. No white lines of demarcation, just an immediate melt. Hello? All right, Miss Wiggins girl. She ain't come to play. She never does. I really expected nothing less, but it's still like, it still kind of shocks me every time. Let that dry down a little bit. All right, now that that is nice and dried down, my next step would normally be to highlight my part, but I quite literally have no reason to do so. This plucking is so perfect that I don't have to highlight anything. Like, it can just stay like this, looking nice and natural. I have no more steps. Y'all are kind of seeing me at a loss for words right now because my next couple of steps would be to add a little bit more tint to my lace just to finish like melting everything and making everything look seamless, adding some concealer to my part to highlight that, make that look good, maybe adding some layering. Y'all always see me add layers to my curls. I always say I have to add layers whenever the hair is curled. I'm not doing any of that. It's literally because the hair is perfect as is. Like, I installed this straight out the box. Only thing that I did was tint the lace. That is it. I didn't do any plucking. I didn't do any parting. I didn't do any curling. I didn't even have to melt it because as y'all saw, when I took this wig band off, baby girl was already like this. This wig needs nothing, really. Like, it literally needs nothing but a little bit of spray glue, and that is it. Yeah, again, I'm at a loss for words. This wig is amazing. Now, what else is going on? Like, so I'm not about to keep y'all here when I literally do not need to. Let's wrap this up because I'm done. I'm literally done. Like, I have nothing else to do. Thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sending me this unit. It is gorgeous. This will probably be the unit that I wear for Valentine's Day because it's perfect. So again, thank you, Wiggins Hair. Mena stamp of approval. Mwah. No bars. Let me give y'all the details on this unit and then I'm gonna give, you know, like, thank you so much for watching as always, you know, the whole spiel because I'm about to get up out of here. Okay, so this is Wiggins Hair's undetectable HD lace frontal body wave human hair wig. Okay, like I said, I got it in body wave, and that's not that loose, non-existent curl that sometimes other wig companies be sending. No, this came pre-curled. Okay, ringlets. I got that in body wave and 13x4 HD lace, 200% density. I mean, it is kind of thick, sure. She is kind of thick. And she is 22 inches. This is a good length for 22 inches. I thought it was longer. I thought it was like 24. Let me stretch it out just to see. When I stretch this out, this is like definitely like 24. But okay. Shoot, I'll take it, okay? Let me get the price for all of that. Put in all my little details. Let me see. So body wave, 22 inches, 13 by 4 HD lace, 200% density. We are at about $365. This is definitely one of my favorite wigs now. I also didn't want to cut any layers in it because I can see myself wearing this straight and curled. Like I can see myself wearing this all the time. I don't want to touch it. Like when I take this off and wash it and all of that, I want to install it as if it's a new wig again. I don't want to do anything to it. I want it to be straight out the box again because it's perfect. It's literally perfect. So the $365, worth it. Worth every coin. Thank you. That is it. So I will have all of the details to this exact unit down below in my bio, the link, the details, the length, the density, everything you need, as well as a link to my Amazon storefront where I have every single item that I used to install this wig. So if you want to pick up anything that I be using, whether it's like my holding spritz, my lace wig adhesive spray, even like the hard bristle brush that I was using when I first glued the wig down, all of that, like all those things will be in there. It's titled Wig Kit Essentials. Other than that, like I just have nothing else to say. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna leave it with y'all. Again, thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sending me this unit. Absolutely adore it. And thank y'all so much for watching. As always, y'all give me the ability to do what I love what I do, and all of that. So thank y'all so much for watching. As always, it's your girl Mena. Y'all have a good day.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself.